Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the previous lecture, I explained the general introduction of the carbon. In this lecture, I will explain here the properties of carbon, allotropic nature of carbon. Carbon have three allotropes: diamond, graphite, and fullerene. But first of all, I explain here the allotropy. What is the definition of allotropy? Some elements occur in nature more than one form. The chemical properties of these different forms are the same, but their physical properties are different. Means chemical properties of this element are the same but different, but their physical properties are the different. These property of the element are called as allotropy. Means this is the definition of allotropy. For example, carbon exhibit in allotropic form sulfur and phosphorus also. Carbon have three allotropes: diamond, graphite, and fullerene. Allotropes of carbon in the crystalline form. These forms has regular and definite arrangement of atoms. Means in the crystalline form, the substance exhibit in regular and definite arrangement. Then they have high melting points and boiling point. Means these substances have high melting points and boiling point. What is the melting point and what is the boiling point? Melting point means the temperature at which the substance melt, and the boiling point, the meaning of boiling point means, definition of boiling point means boiling point of liquid at which the vapor pressure of liquid becomes equal to atmospheric pressure. Then carbon has three crystalline allotropes. Which three crystalline allotropes? First, diamond structure. In diamond, every carbon atom is bonded to four neighboring atoms by covalent bond. Means in between two carbons, the bond, which type of bond? The covalent bond. In diamond, every carbon atom is bonded to four neighboring atoms by covalent bond. Due to this 3D structure, diamond becomes very hard. Means diamond is very hard substance. Then properties. What are the properties of diamond? There are different properties of diamond. First, brilliant and pure diamond is the hardest natural substance. This is the hardest natural substance. The density of diamond is 3.5 gram per centimeter cube. The density of diamond is 3.5 gram per centimeter cube. Melting point of diamond is 3500 degree Celsius. Then fourth point, it does not dissolve in any solvent. Means this is the hardest substance. It does not dissolve in any solvent. For example, NaCl, sodium chloride, dissolve in water, but the diamond is hardest substance. This is not dissolve in any solvent. Acids. Then fifth point, acids and bases have no effect on diamond. There is no reaction with acids and bases of diamond. Diamond is a bad conductor of electricity as it does not have free electron. Means in diamond there is no free electron, therefore it is bad conductor of heat and electricity. Then next, uses. What are the uses of diamond? First, glass cutting and rock drilling machines. It is used in glass cutting, means for cut the glass, and rock drilling machine. Then ornament. It is very important in ornaments. Then eye surgery. Diamond is also used in eye surgery. Then diamond dust is used for polishing other diamond. Means the dust of diamond is used for polishing other diamond to make a windows, giving protection from radiation in space and in artificial satellite. Then second allotrope of carbon is diamond. See, properties of graphite. First property, for making lubricants. Graphite is used to make a lubricant. Then graphite found in nature is black, soft and brittle and slippery. Graphite is a good conductor of electricity. Why graphite is a good conductor of electricity? Because there are free electrons in graphite. Graphite can be used for writing on papers. The density of graphite is 1.9 to 2.3 gram per centimeter cube. Then uses. What are the uses of graphite? For making carbon electrode, pencils for writing, then paints and polished. These are the properties and uses of graphite. Means this is the second allotrope of carbon. First diamond, second graphite, then third fullerene. Properties. What are the different properties of fullerene? First, molecules of fullerene are found in the forms of bug balls and bug tubes. Means the fullerene are found in the form of bug balls and bug tubes. These are 30 to 900. There are 30 to 900 carbon atoms in one molecule of fullerene. Means one molecule of fullerene contains 30 to 900 carbon atoms in one molecule. Then fullerene soluble in organic solvents, for example carbon disulfide, chlorobenzene. Carbon disulfide and chlorobenzene are the organic solvent, and fullerene soluble in organic solvent. These organic solvent. Then uses. What are the different uses of fullerenes? Fullerenes are used as a insulator. Means it is not a conductor of heat and electricity. It is used as an insulator. Fullerenes are used as a catalyst in water purification. Means fullerene is also used as a catalyst. Catalyst means, what is the meaning of catalyst? Catalyst means which alters the rate of reaction. Then third, at a certain temperature, fullerene exhibit superconductivity. Means it is a superconductor. It exhibit as a superconductivity. Means this is the explanation of allotropes of carbon. These are the main allotropes of carbon: diamond, graphite and fullerene. Thank you.